if you have taqwa and you have sabr, then one thing's for sure, Allah considers you from the muhsineen. There's the hadith of Jibreel tells us that you can be Muslim, you can be mu'min, a believer. Muslim, someone who surrenders to Allah, meaning they just accepted the faith. Mu'min, someone who has faith in their heart, a step above. Muhsin is the highest state you can be. In this ayah, what does Allah say? He said, if you have taqwa and sabr, I will reward those who are muhsineen. In other words, when you have both of these things, I consider you what? Muhsineen. You do A and B, taqwa plus sabr equals ihsan. That's the equation. Why? Go back to the Prophet's definition, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet ﷺ says, you worship Allah as though you can what? See Him. And if not, you are always aware that He sees you. Well, let's go back to the definition of taqwa. One of the ways I described it to you is, taqwa is you fighting the evil forces inside you, right? And what's going to help you fight those evil forces? Allah is watching. Then on the other side, you've got sabr, difficulties, trials, etc., etc. But when you see them from ihsan, what's sabr? These trials are coming from Allah. Allah knows what I'm going through. And I know Allah does not waste the reward that comes from carrying myself right. That's why taqwa and sabr are actually ihsan. وَمَن يَتَّقِ إِنَّهُ مَن يَتَّقِ وَيَصْبِرْ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُضِيعُ أَجْرَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ.